Hi, I am Harshini. Today I am going to do best out of waste craft with coconut shell. We'll need coconut shell, dried flowers and leaves, sandpaper and acrylic paint. Use a sandpaper to smoothen the back surface of the coconut shell. I'm going to paint the base with acrylic paint. Paste the dried flowers and leaves using white glue. Apply the clear varnish and allow it to dry. You can also use Mod Podge instead of varnish. I'll also apply glitter nail polish for extra shine. It's ready. This can be used as a wall hanging or a bowl. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to Harshini's Recreations.